As the name suggests, this format solution focuses primarily on timesheet information in the practice management database presented through Practice IQ. It breaks from tradition somewhat in terms of the types of information that's been shown and the timeframes that the information is shown on. For example, we can focus on the today, or based on the date that has been selected for the report, and compare it to the previous day. And the same goes for the week against last week, this month, last month, this year, and full last year. The purpose of this is to really gauge an understanding of the type of work that's been added and compare it between these time frames, so you can see changes over time or the different breakdowns of time in the system. The top table here just shows you the internal time and the chargeable time. The internal time is based on the internal matters in the system. The chargeable time is broken down by the service lines applied to your standard matters. Now there is a little bit of configuration that's required for this to go into a PIQ solution, and that is primarily around these service lines. They have to be plugged in the background. The top table is obviously showing the figures, the breakdown, and then we have a chart showing graphically the breakdown. You can zoom in on this chart just to give you a bit more space and a better understanding of the different ratios happening between the different types of information. Just go back here, and we can scroll down. We can see that as well as the different types of information that's showing graphically and in the top table here, we have that breakdown or that summary level of internal and chargeable time with the leave component there, giving you a productivity percentage. Now this productivity percentage is based on actual time timesheeted rather than against our traditional standard hours. So you can see the calculation there is chargeable time over total hours less leave. We have that broken into or shown in a graphical form on the chart. At the bottom there we have that percentage going again and going across the different time frames that have been focused in on this report. Scrolling back up here, you can see the different parameters. So it will default to the current day and then apply the dates available in the current month based on the day selection. So you can pick a different day if you wish, and it will update this whole report based on different time frames. We have our traditional staff attributes of entity, staff partner, manager, and department. Selecting any one of these will filter the list of staff members that are available in this final parameter here. So you could pick a team, so Cary Grant's team, and you could choose possibly Audrey Hepburn as a staff member, and the report is updated specifically for Audrey for those dates, and the same functionality applies. You can drill through and see further charts and so on. You do have also the ability to filter out chargeable time or internal time if you just want to see those in the filter there. So this is a specific report aimed at timesheet analysis and that different types of information being added into the system over different time frames.